You might be wondering to yourself, what is this idiot doing? What is he, blow drying his Tesla? No. Good guess. I'm installing a carbon fiber wing for extra downforce. Made by Maier Racing for Teslarati. One of the finest pieces of carbon fiber that's been woven in many a year. So just use some 3M adhesive, OEM specifications. Establish the fitment precisely, measured out. Just using a little bit of a heat gun here to make sure that the bonding is perfect, and well, you'll see what it looks like tomorrow.